Welcome to Used Machine India, trader and importer of used and new machine tools. The company was incorporated in the year 1993. Good financial position and TQM make us different from others. Preet Machines and Sonali Contractor are some of our esteemed clients, and we are backed by corrosion and abrasion resistance. We offer a vast range of horizontal boring, ear, and CNC machines. Our lathe and deep hole drilling machines are best in the industry amongst others. We offer gear generators and milling machines that are superior in performance. Gun drilling and gear testing machines offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. We also provide fastener machines and radial drills that are a class apart. Along with that, we offer CNC lathe machines for industries and gun drills for industrial drilling that are extremely reliable. For more information, log on at www.indiamart.com/dpenterprises.